Skumba. You all right, my brother?
Bravo, shapho kunjani ukuthi mina ngikhumbulile this week angazwa ngikhumbulile nje ngathi sasiplombela nje sizosela inyama singenza into eziningi singadli imali yabantu sibe right.
Yeah.
Uthini Nhleko uthi expeditiously. Oqala abantu abanikazi bale mali abakwazi ukumspell expeditiously. Naye lodlela imali akakwazi. Hey, naye mhlolo yethu. Mara konziwani le viki konziwani probably kule country.
Thixo wase George Koch.
Uthi George Koch angitshele. George Koch.
Kimang George Koch.
Ngiyakubona lokho. George Koch yazi utishara wakhe religious uhleli uthi kodwa angitshele. Thixo George Koch. Stadium. Akasathi Thixo wase Jerusalem. George Koch. Star 3 uyakubonakala abantu abathukalaza yavela ke manje.
2015 is the year people
no baba broken country. Hey imali yethu baba. Hala baba semune uneimanga. How uthi right yena uthi mina bhadala imali. Hang right hey. Une swimming pool akakwazi kuswim. Le swimming pool kahle I danger to impilo yakhe. Asithi makhuma luyadlula ecela swimming pool. Chwasha uyokhisha bani? Baba dance ngani? Leba indlela baba bathi la nje right proper inama CCTV everywhere ngicabanga naseyibayeni inkomo sakho inkomo zina privacy lapha inkomo ziba busy ngento zazo uzathi bheka zenzani bheka inkomo zenzani bheka inkomo zenzani laba una CCTV everywhere kulendlu leyana abantwana bakhe amagezo Domzodwa ngathi Big Brother Domzodwa iVaselina ngeke uphuza amanzi khethe sithi uvakashile uza hey Timundisi hey kanti uyaphalaza na kanti kuyagajwa na Leba yini inkinga yakhe.
No, but you can understand that, privacy is guaranteed because Khulubusi has to walk in, the cameras can see around.
Manje bona sakachapele swimming pool Khulubusi aphuma wonke lamanzi. Uzathela. Una jacuzzi baba abayibali yona ke. Wenzani ngalezi zinto zonke? Like yini ayenza uvuka kusena thina? Ngayaphi namhlanje? Phela kuya ngathi usemall. Ngayo check abani namhlanje. Ngithi nyimela khihlala lenzansi ngani kumseli WhatsApp okuphi. Singila yo. Bona ntambama. Yo the whole day ayengala no. Loba kudlaliwa ngathi proper. Kudlaliwa ngathi proper country lena ayivala ngihlale ngisho kulo.
Ayivala butwami.
Ayikho into enzoba. Uyahleka. Silahlekile imali uyahleka yena, broken country. Shini nasidli baba nganika ngento zakho. This is a broken house with a broken wife. Akufuni tell petrol baba imoto na petrol. You see? This is a broken car in a broken garage. Tipo se George Koch.
Oh lo.
Na baba kabani mara abantwana bakhe ngibheka bathi mara lo baba lona. Let's go to sugar liyaphakama ubona umlomo kababa ubova ngathi nje baleka nebhaloni la yeah Thixo wase George Koch ungifanini ngikhohle shem ngapha imali zethu ziyalahleka ngapha iFIFA ngapha ubaba ngapha uthoka esikhole naye uvele TV athi ya ama investigation uqala wawuthoke baba khuluma naye yaza amehlo kaTokyo amai
Atheni
ngabe ubheka ireporter ngabe ubheka SABC2 doc ushaya inhloko ngathi plate elichithekayo ukambona umuntu okezikhala inhloko yakhe ngathi plate elichithekayo elinye ilihlo libheka ukuthi ya asazi ya imali this investigation elinye ilihlo lingale next door. That's why walahlekela umfazi wakho umlunga bheka ngamboni kahle. Divorce kanjani ngikubhekile ngoba ungahamba. Ngalibona ilihlo lakala kaTheko Sikhali lihola igrant lala lihlo lilodwa. Yeah, libheka. Ngalibona khulu. Yeah, hey. By interview that ngapha libheka amabheka ngapha libheka ibank yakhe la. Ah, man. Nasayimela kadazi ngikhathele awungibheke emehlweni kanjani ngikubheka straight ilehlela ka-Tokyo liyahola nalo eparlamente lilokukhuluma nalo za yeah sicela ukuya enkandla nathi i-genius fokol laphana.
The Business Day carries a very well-rounded story on how the money supposedly left our country, the 10 million. Remember, we were trying with Sutume in the week to try and decipher how you would put 10 million in a suitcase. And it's impossible. So the Business Day has a very step-by-step way in which it happened. It was through ticket takings, apparently. So it looks very interesting.
And then they say there's 2 members on South Africa, like by 2. Abathinteka. Siyabazi sonke ukuthi ithula leji.
Business Day is busy.
Who do you think it is?
Ubani beka phambili wena?
I don't know. Well, now who do you think it is?
Hey, how about Danny fanele bakhuluma?
As I was saying, Business Day is very busy. There's another story about Gwede Mantashe. Apparently, there's a smear campaign against him, something about claims of sexual harassment.
Harasa yena or in harass umuntu.
Apparently, he harassed someone. But this is all smear campaign ahead of
umuntu lesikhathi sokumele lo babakhuluma. Phela ma harass umuntu awumani umharase nje. Ucela ukhulume naye umshelo. Ivo selo baba uyazi kana moya. Phela lo moya makashela. Hey, ntombi njani?
No shame, man. He's a respectable man.
Ubrakwede fana mpishi yake. They are broken. Hey manje ulalaphi? Ngilalaphi yokwenzani wena?
No, it's like that whole
Can you imagine? Ubrakwede yokulobolela. Sicela imali. Khuluma malini nifuna malini? And if you want to World Cup,
Oh no, man.
It's suitcase.
Maybe he's the guy they're sending the delegation to Evan Khoza's home for the president, you know? I'm just saying, just maybe. Just maybe.
Uyabona udela ikwele cela ngilobolela lapha ka Khoza ngena sekathi bhakanea ahlangana amathambo thene bhakanea nilozela weekend uzokhuluma ngebhola imani sathetha ngebhola kuphi pha ku Pirates izintwana zifile zohola mahala kanqa ubusana no But what is it? Cut in them boy. You make a Mola Dombi Mol. Calitifa condense. The telecondense. The telecondense. So it got cause I was Zenzela. Hey, Ninja man put Ivy. And that's why because I couldn't say, we as the Khosas, we are fine. Yeah, Khoza. And the Tunyi, when the Tunyi, what the Tunyi go put broken, a broken country in the broken room. What band this and the suitcase? So no, Ipilati. Alias one chak, but so don't look in. Alias one chak. Yeah, abantwana bangawukho. Umakhumala kulimaza. Ndifuna uba wazi uba apho yakhona ke hayi awungo number 1 awungo number 2 ungewu number 3 ungewu number 4 uyicherry nje uyicherry wena ndivile uba upreke futhi hey anizesabe izinto uvumela umuntu onoshukela akho Sono nesibindi. Uzalobola mara uthethisa umakoti unesibindi. Khoza andithethi ngekhandi rapha ndibhizi ndithetha ngento ezisnacks. Andisalobola zomza zela apha sithethele lento. Ibara ziphi tickets zepirates.